Yeah, okay, fuckers and fuckettes. What we're going to talk about today is basic scroll saw safety. And now, if you're a member of the Democratic Party, if you voted for Obama, my best advice to you is have somebody do this shit for you, because you're not mentally competent enough to operate a basic power tool. That being said, for the rest of you, first off, and this is what made me do this video. Let me wipe this off here, so you know I ain't switching it out or cheating or nothing. When you have one with wore out teeth like this, don't flip it over and use it the other way. Now, you throw that sumbitch in the trash can where it belongs. Put your new blade in. I prefer mine teeth down so it carries the piece into the table. Some people like their teeth pointing up, and that makes it buck, but you know, that's what this little holder guidey thing here is for, which I very rarely use myself. If you're a beginner, I recommend you use it, learn how, fuck with some scrap shit first. Alright, so now I need to tighten my bottom one. And the reason I'm not getting into detail about tightening your blades this way, just tightening your sides, is because there's so many different kinds. There's 5 or 6 kinds of pin and no pin and hole, and there's 5 or 6 different kinds of fucking scroll saw blades. So I'm not going to get into that because they each mount differently. That's all the tighter I want that blade. You hear that noise? Any higher pitch than that, you got the fucker too tight. Now, before you touch this, you put your safety glasses on, you tuck your beard into your shirt. I've already got my line etched. Now, you keep your fingers away from your piece. See my finger? You always keep your fingers at least an inch away from your piece. If you can't do that, hold your piece with a pair of pliers or something instead of your damn fingers. Go very slow. Watch your blade. Don't let it be bending all over the place. If it feels a little bit rough, don't be cheap with the fucking oil. Get you some more oil on there. Because trust me, even with the set of safety glasses on, that blade snaps and comes up into your chest. Most of the time it'll stay in the thing, but if it does snap and come up into your chest, man, that's like a fucking bee sting. That shit hurt. See, I'm not putting much pressure. Now, by not putting a whole lot of pressure, that allows me, A, I'm not wearing out my blade. B, I'm not risking snapping that blade. Yes, I get a little bit slower cut, but I'm old, I'm retired, I don't give a fuck. I got all the time in the world. You know what I'm saying? You want to learn how to do keyhole cuts and stuff where you drill a hole and then put your blade through it. Somebody's got some up there somewhere on YouTube. This is just basic safety. Yeah, I heard it making that noise again. I see oil all over the place. But I'll put a little bit more on there. Okay, stop. I'm almost to the end. I'll take a piece of scrap, shut my saw back off, right at the edge, feather in. I got pressure here, and to keep this from bucking up and throwing my finger into this, which it does happen if you got a bad tooth or something, or it just gets a little bit grippy on you, I'm using my push piece and you saw at the end it was trying to fight me and climb up and shit. Well, I showed you how to keep that little piece from bringing your finger up into here. You use a push piece and you just pressure the hell out of your other piece. Unless you're holding it with pliers or, you know, I got baby vice grips and shit here. That wasn't what I was trying to illustrate. I was trying to illustrate, you know, for the kid that might not have everything around. You know, this is basic safety, basic use. I'm not trying to show you how to make desk letters, although I can. I'm not trying to show you how to cut out shit like I've got marked on there. Actually, I think Travis marked that. I'm just giving you the basics. And like I say, if you're a Democratic Party member, or you in any way, shape, form, or fashion voted for Obama, or you believe in big government, get somebody else to do it for you, because you're not mentally competent enough to be operating a power tool. We'll holler at y'all fuckers and fuckets later.